removes hair from the root, so you can go for weeks without worrying about unwanted hair.
Watch, we used a trimmer on one side of this chin and tweezy on the other. And look, 6 weeks later, the tweezy side is still smooth.
There's never been anything like it. If you can feel it, Tweezy can remove it.
I used to use trimmers every day, but I used Tweezy on my lips 6 weeks ago, and it's still smooth.
Sometimes it's hard to see if I got all the hairs on my face. But with Tweezy, I had confidence that all my embarrassing hairs are gone, and it lasts for weeks.
Tweezy is portable, safe, and gentle. Use Tweezy to remove unwanted hair around your chin, lip, underarms, legs, feet, and more. At last, you can have a beautiful bikini line. No more razor burn, no more waxing. Electrolysis is expensive, and plucking takes forever. But Tweezy is easy. You'll never have to worry about unwanted hair again. But wait, call within the next 10 minutes and you'll get MJoy's hair growth inhibitor and hair-free for weeks. Imagine that's a $60 value, all for only $19.95.
I guarantee Tweezy is the best way to remove unwanted hair for weeks or your money back. Just remember, if it's easy, it's Tweezy. Call now.
Call 1-800-651-2761 to get your Tweezy hair remover for $19.95. Call now and get the bonus hair growth inhibitor absolutely free. That's 1-800-651-2761.
February 12th, 1983, just after 4:15 a.m. Chief Mate Bob Cusick of the SS Marine Electric resurfaces into 40-foot ocean swells.
But my conscience.
You're out here for a reason. So are we. Tractor Supply Company. The stuff you need out here.
Visit Tractor Supply for everything you need out here.
What can a car that gets 50 miles per gallon do for the environment? Not nearly as much as the car that's carrying it. Our trains can move a ton of freight 423 miles on 1 gallon of fuel. CSX, how tomorrow moves.
I own a landscape design company, and allergies can really affect your day. That's why I need to be Claritin Clear. Claritin gives me powerful relief that won't make me drowsy. You know, Zyrtec warns drowsiness may occur right on its label. I'll take non-drowsy Claritin and live Claritin Clear.
Today, welcome back to Hurricane Central. We continue our live coverage.
Are you ready?
Our goal is to get you out of harm's way.
We are.
Wind gusts into the 100-mile-per-hour range.
Live reports, expert analysis. Hurricane season begins today on the Weather Channel, your hurricane authority.
See that number? That's about how much you can expect to pay on an $11,000 credit card balance. Now that's if you have good credit. If you have not so good credit, debt is a numbers game that you cannot afford to lose. So get a winning team to back you up. Call
277, the Wingate Inn. We're built for business.
Click today.
1984, Pensacola, Florida. At the U.S.